It is another informative edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we bring you developments in the market. This edition captures the market performance for Tuesday, July 23, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 28,144.87 basis points with a market capitalization of 13.716 trillion naira, meaning it appreciated by plus 1.21%. Equity markets maintained uptrend as NSE-ASI recorded 1.21% gain amid increased volume turnover as market sentiment and market breadth closed positive. The benchmark index ended on the green zone as the ASI gained 121 basis points, leading to a slight improvement in year-to-date loss at minus 10.5%. Furthermore, market capitalization rose by 163.8 billion. The positive market performance yesterday could be traced majorly to the price appreciation in Dangote Cement at plus 2.3%, Nestle plus 5.3%, and WAPCO at plus 9.9%. Nemet, WAPCO, and NACO were top gainers, while Forte Oil, International Breweries, and Cornest were among the top losers. Guarantee Trust Bank, Zenith Bank, and WAPCO were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.39 trillion naira, while the NAFEX rate closed at 361 naira 55 kobo to a dollar, while the I&EFX rate opened at 361 naira 25 kobo to a dollar and closed at 361 naira 75 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the unlisted share index closed at 718.26 basis points with a market capitalization of 516.2 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 221,825 and the value traded 14.924 million naira in 13 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, the Nigerian Stock Exchange listed the second 100 billion naira 7-year federal government of Nigeria Sukuk bonds due to mature in 2025. President Muhammadu Buhari submitted 43 names of ministerial nominees to the Senate of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. This has finally laid to rest the concerns over the delay of the cabinet formation of the president since he was sworn in May 29, 2019. The Nigerian Economic Summit Group hosted a discourse in embedding behavioral sciences in the implementation of social welfare programs. The Central Bank of Nigeria Monetary Policy Committee, at the end of its meeting, agreed unanimously to retain the interest rate at 13.5%. Other parameters were retained, namely cash reserve ratio 22.5%, liquidity ratio 30%, asymmetric corridor plus 200 and minus 500 basis points. In what to watch, Zenith Bank PLC, a leading financial institution in Nigeria, will today visit the Nigerian Stock Exchange. It will be an opportunity for the new MD CEO of the bank, Mr. Ebenezer Unyagu, to familiarize with market dealing members. As part of his visit, he will perform the ceremonial closing gong. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshareng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms shown on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a wonderful day.